Hi, this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can force reset your iPhone 16, 16 Pro Max or any other version of iPhone. Your phone is stuck in some menu, in some application, you don't know what to do. In this case, you can do a force reset your phone. So how you can do that? You have to hold, suppose this phone is black or not working, you have to hit volume up button, volume down button and power button. So these three buttons, volume up, volume down, and hold the power button. Hold, let's see, let it go. When you will see Apple logo or something, Apple logo is here, so the phone is force restarted. So if you have any issue, anything with any application, any software, it will fix that issue immediately in this case. So phone is restarted in this case. So this is the way you can do a force reset to iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.